Good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook stir fry string beans with pork. It's so yummy and very delicious Philippine style or Pinoy's recipe. First thing to do, I would like to boil the meat with the water and a little bit salt and boil until the pork meat is soft and brown. So I want that meat is very crispy and brown. I'm making sure the meat is the oil is coming out and cook. So I put the meat is very little bit have touched layer and more is meat. So you have to stir it now. The meat is look like brown, some of it's brown, and then you have to stir it very well and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or whatever you have oil, and then you have to add 1/2 onion, red onion slice, and you have to stir it, making sure the onion is cooked, and you have to add 4 cloves of fresh garlic. I put like not really, I not chop the garlic, and I mash already, and also stir it very well, and then make it sure that the meat is come out like oil. And then after stir it, you have to add 1 whole tomato. I slice the tomatoes, and you have to stir it in the tomato and the ingredients good. And you have to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or oyster sauce if you have oyster sauce, and you have to cover it very well until the flavor, and then you have to stir it and add the string beans. You have to cut the string bean. I think I mix the string bean like we call sitaw, long beans, and also string beans like Baguio beans. So add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of pork powder or beef powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper or curd. And you have to stir it well to mix it and making sure the flavor is good through to the meat and string beans. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, leave comment, and share, and also likes, and don't forget to post the notification. Every time I upload my video, you always updated. So now you have to stir it well. You have to cook, estimate your food or string beans to cook like 5 minutes until gets a little bit soup. Some of them is, if you want to crispy, then you need to crispy, but I like my string bean is very soft and juicy. So you have to stir it very well and simmer it again. And you have to try your string beans, your vegetables, and make sure that the flavor is good. If you think it's lack of salt, then you have to put a little bit salt to taste. Yeah. And then you think the string beans and the meat is still dry, then you can to add like 1/4 cup of hot water and boil it until get your string beans and cook. So what is it, guys? Thank you very much, and you need to try it. It's very delicious. We cook normally we cook this in the village, our province. So we cook it like very fresh, and someday we can get there. My garden, I plant string beans or my garden so I can harvest and I show guys. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to those my silent subscriber. Thank you for watching and support, and always watch, and please leave comments. Soon I'm gonna do my style. I need to cook or whatever, harvest my plants. I show my plants someday. Harvest my plants, and then after I cook outside and after eat. That is my good style for my blog. So now the food is ready. I need to put the sit aside a clean plate and ready to serve. Wish to eat this with rice. And if you have fried fish, it's good, guys. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave comments. So as soon as possible, if I have time, and I check your comment.